Yeah, but it's definitely really dusty.
YouTube, you mind being on YouTube? YouTube, here with my buddy Justin. Met on the forums, as everybody else should try to meet up on there. We come out to this awesome bash spot, and we're just gonna shred some stuff up. Please subscribe to the channel, and if he has a channel, I'll put it in the description and link below. Alright. I want to try this bucket thing out. I do want to do a backflip in this bucket. Oh, that didn't sound good. Oh!
You already broke it.
Alright, that's fine.
And stop recording.
No, I lost a pin.
Again?
You know what pin I lost this time though? It's weird. Shock pin. I got pins with me.
You brought them with you on purpose this time.
You got that going for you.
I did. I brought a shock pin with me. Is that all I did? Oh no, what else did I do? Oh no, that's all I did. Alright.
How do you manage to do this 2 days in a row? This is
It's crazy. A shock pin though. Oh man, I might not have one of them. I'm about to look real quick.
Should be,
oh.
yeah, where's he?
I can't find it.
Hold up.
It's shiny, so. Get away from me.
That kind of sucks. How did you lose it 2 days in a row?
It's the one pin I don't think I have on hand either.
Alright, let me show the viewers this, man.
What's up, Reese? Literally, I'm out for the count already. Due to a shock pin. Look at this. Insane. Oh, never find it.
Oh, there
There we go. There's some entertainment. I was gonna launch off of that. I don't think there's anything I can do either. I don't have a shock pin. Oh yeah. Yeah. Here. He still hasn't technically drove over that spot where the pin might be at yet. There you go, there's some entertainment. We'll go watch him bash after he dumps this for you guys. Satisfying smoothness. Like I said, you guys never know what you'll see on my channel. Subscribe. There you go, look at that big massive dump right there. There you go. Alright, let's go over here and see what's going on. I know where that spot was at, where my pin might be at. I'll let this guy get out of there and then I'll try. He still hasn't technically really ran over that spot yet. I might be able to find it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's just weird that, you know.
A hinge pin for the shock. I'm about to go look again to see if I can find this pin. Yeah, he just made it to where it's like super sweet.
That's so bad. You should be able to find it.
It's chrome, right? It's within this general vicinity. It's a chrome pin about this long. No.
Hey, look, come here.
Ask him. I found them the last couple times they've fallen out. So.
Is that what everybody goes? Is that why everybody uses a send pin? Is that where?
Yeah, but I broke out a weird one that normally does not come out. So I doubt anybody's ever had that happen before.
What would you snap, dude?
No, it didn't snap. So that means I'm gonna have to make a trip up to the hobby shop today. That's the one pins that I didn't order because you'd think you wouldn't need those. I've never heard of those popping out, but nope. Who's the one to do it? The guy that didn't buy them. Unreal. Yeah, plan B. I got a wand in my truck too. Good idea, Noah.
Oh my!
Get that off of there. Don't want to know what I'm about to find, but see if they're magnetized. Should be. Oh yeah, I'll pick it up hardcore too. All right, you too. Lost hinge pin. We're on it.
There's really nowhere good to kind of.
I know what you can do. Go all the way up the hill and just jump it and make it land on the other side.
You can tabletop the hill if you get all the way up. I don't know if you can all the way up.
Yeah.
You probably, if you went up it fast enough, it would.
I mean, that's pretty impressive for an RC.
Ooh. Very good, nice.
Thing is, I don't jump in it. You got that little gap there.
That was cool. Thing's like, no, I don't want to go over rocks. Ah, so close. Still works though, at least your pins didn't pop out.
convinced that it may have been in the bucket.
Yeah, well, and now it's in a dump truck going somewhere.
I found it!
Did you really?
I fucking found it. Look.
No shit.
What's that, guys? Yes! Alright.
Okay.
See, never give up.
Yeah.
This is when we just play that one song. Never give up.
Alright. Alright, guys. Got 2 hinge pins to slide back in. I noticed the other one down here. Can you get that one down there?
Where's it at?
Right here.
Oh, I see it.
I noticed the bottom one slid out as well. So I gotta slide that one back in and put the shock one back in.
Non-focus. Big dirt dust pile.
It'd almost be
on
better
the
if it
back.
rained just a little bit to get some of the. Yeah.
Saying the same thing, man. Probably really is floater rocks. Every time, man. It's so close. I was trying that side because look how smooth that side is going up.
There's a big gap in the middle of it up at top.
I'm so happy I was recording that. Does your body ever fall off yours? Fall off? It doesn't?
Yeah, I haven't ran mine much, so I haven't really.
Huh.
Alright guys, we're fixed up. Alright. Get some power back to it. see why you've been kind of. Alright. Got it. Oh, dang. Nice. Oh. How's this hill over here?
Look how smooth the other side is. You can jump it.
Don't like that. Oh, what the heck's going on now? That pin fall back out again.
Oh, Lord.
Bottom pin. I have one of those. I ain't worried about that. Bottom pin this time.
I have a funny feeling I know what I'm going to have to find and buy.
CEN pin kit. Another 2-second fix now.
Yeah, I probably should go just that way. I know I got enough time to get back across town.
Alright, ain't no problem. Probably has to hang out here until it starts pouring or something.
The funny thing is, if it sprinkled just a little bit, then
Messed up, man. Stay right.
Completely right. Oh, I broke the pin.
That's the fourth.
That pin shouldn't be hard to find on that one.
I'm done recording.
The pin falls out.